Okay. My brother's looking for two. What is it called? Two girls in one cup. Okay. And he's gonna videotape me with my reaction. It's an action movie. Okay, Tyson, you need to videotape me. Okay, Tyson.
Hello.
Tyson.
Ooh.
Tyson, stop looking at porn. Tyson, you don't need tits. No, you don't need tits.
Actually, you got Lucas as a friend, right?
Yeah, I think so. I don't think he has on his.
Yeah, he does. Trust me.
What one? That one?
Post.
I don't think he has it on there.
Yeah, he does. It's way the fuck down. It's a long time ago. It's like when we first went to Australia. Where is it? Oh, it's way before that.
He's just trying to find it. See if you can find it.
Are you recording right now?
Yeah.
Why?
Because.
You're recording me trying to find this thing.
Yeah. I've never seen it. And I want to see what. Oh my god. I've seen his accents on YouTube and everything, but I don't know. Kind of scared.
November 1st. Before that. When did he leave? Like the end of summer?
Yeah.
Alright, yeah, it was right before November 1st. October 21st. Still gotta wait.
Ooh. I don't like the camera.
Don't put it in my face. Or I will lick it.
Like, you're gonna find it then. Is it done yet? That thing?
Does it look like it's done?
Almost done. Every time you do this, you have to put that on? You have to wait for it?
No, it's just this one time. August 5th.
Can you find it?
I think I passed it.
But he deleted it off his wall.
He could have.
Yeah, I think he did. Yeah, I think he did. What the beep is that? What the hell is that?
I don't know, it won't let me close. Fuck off. Fuck off. Back to this.
Okay, I don't think he has it.
Yeah, it's right here.
What?
It's right here.
Oh my god. Okay. Tyson, you need to hold this camera.
I will. Just hold on a second.
Oh god. Oh god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah. Okay, you need to hold this camera. Oh my god. Oh. I don't know if I will watch it. Oh. She's like kisses me.
You'll watch.
That's fucking nasty.
Keep watching.
Ew.
eyes. You have to watch it. You have to actually watch it. Watch.
That's fucking nasty, Tice. That's. Oh!